Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley Bug here. The other day, I was in my shed working with the worm bin, and as I said then, whenever Bobby peels potatoes, I take the peelings, put them in the worm bin. Well, they sprout. Some of them will sprout. And when they sprout, I take them usually and put them in my garden and let them grow. But the video I was making was on container gardening. And when I saw those sprouts, I said, okay, here we go. So what I did was I took a regular flower pot, all right, and the bottom of that pot, I put about 4 layers of newspaper. Or you can take and cut pasteboard, cardboard, to fit in the bottom to cover the holes where your soil don't wash out. Then what I did was I put a layer of compost and a layer of leaves, regular old leaves. All right. As these potato plants grow, as you see, I'm going to add, which I'm fixing to do now. We just got back off vacation, and this is a little bit higher than I like it, but that can be fixed. Now, what I'm going to do is add more compost and some more dried grass. As this thing grows, I'll keep adding till it gets to the top, and then I'll quit. Just let the potato grow. And then when that top wilts back, I will have my potatoes. I keep a spray bottle. I don't do a lot of, I don't want it heavy watered, but I want it damp at all times. All right, now, more compost. See the dried grass? And that's the key word, people, dried grass. You put grass in here, it's not dried, and it goes through a heat, and you just lost everything. Now, what I'll do is I'll leave that alone. Oh, I don't know. I'll watch it. Now, we're getting close to the top, and this is real dry. We're getting kind of close to the top. And notice there was 3 or 4 nice little shoots. I cover them. If they grow up, fine. If they don't, no problem. I got the main potato right there. Now, I'll give this a good soaking because it hadn't been really heavy watered in a while. Usually the newspaper or your cardboard in the bottom will catch most of the moisture. But if it don't, it's in a tray to catch what don't soak up. Now, that will grow, get adjusted for the light. That'll grow. And when it gets on uphill, I'll level this pot off and just keep it damp. And roughly, I don't know, whenever that top wilts, I'll dump it out and we'll see what kind of potatoes we got. So, in the meanwhile, like and subscribe. The thing is, you can grow this particular window right here, where the light's coming from, is on the south side, a little bit east, southeast side of the house. It gets sun just about all day, right through that window. All right. Now, all I've got going here right now is the potatoes. But down here, I got my fig. It's coming on beautifully. There's my pepper. It's dominant. I think it's dead, really. But you can take a tray like this, put your potting soil in it, sprinkle lettuce, and in a week or 10, 12, 15 days, you're harvesting lettuce. And lettuce is not the only thing. In a shallow tray, relish, you can do that. In a deeper tray, you can do carrots. Even sweet potatoes in a deep container, right on a sunny window inside your house. Some of my people correspond with me and they tell me, I raise a full garden on a 12 by 8 patio in a high-rise apartment. And I said, go ahead. You got that under control. It can be done, people. It can be done very easy. Hey, you inside. You don't have to go out there in the yard and chop and dig and hoe and weed unless you want to. But you can do it like this, and it works. It works good.